Keep it going. I'm gonna get the cat.
All right.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Back here with another food review. You're probably wondering, oh, what the hell could he be reviewing? He's got 3 bags on the table. I got the 3 giants, the 3 fast food giants, baby. We got McDonald's, we got Wendy's, and we got Burger King. And inside those bags are chicken nuggets. And I'm here to decide which chicken nugget is best. First, let's try the McDonald's nugget. Pretty good. Here you go, Ernie. What up, buddy? You know, some people say you are what you eat. And I 100% believe in that. The chicken nugget from McDonald's is very juicy and has its own unique taste. Not bad. Let's go to the Wendy's. You probably think I'm a psychopath not using sauce. Well, I really want to figure out, you know, without bias, without the sauce. Sauce can change things around. Just straight up nugget. Which is best? The Wendy's chicken nugget. Wow. A little less juice, but the breading is better than the McDonald's nugget. I like that. Good taste. The Burger King nugget, baby. A lot drier than the other nuggets. This is very obviously the worst out of the 3. I think, you know, 10 nuggets for $1.49, they definitely decrease the value of the nugget itself. Overall, it's not a... What's up, Joe? What's up? Come here. You want to barge in? You better come in here.
Chloe.
I'm doing a goddamn food review, and you're gonna come in here.
Come on, baby.
You taking the cats away? They were enjoying chicken nuggets. Joe, come here, come here, come here. Joe! Boom, bada bing, scalabosha, baby. I'm gonna rate these out of 10 on a fast food nugget scale. 3-2. These are getting a 3-2. So it comes down to these. Which one's better? Wendy's or McDonald's? I know. A lot of relationships will be torn after I give this answer. But I'm gonna have to go with Wendy's. Why is that? Well, I'd have to say the Wendy's nuggets is an 8.1, while these are a 7.8. 0.3 better. I'm not saying these are better by a mile. I'm saying these are better by 0.3. That's right, baby. Thank you for watching, and have a delicious day.